Unpopular fact about men. A lot of men, I'd probably say most men, even once in their life, take back a cheating ex. Yeah, we do. The difference between a male taking back a cheating ex and a female taking back their cheating ex or exes is that the woman or women usually broadcast that they were cheated on. They tell their best friends, they tell their family, they tell their spouse or their ex family, they put it on social media so they look stupid when they take back their ex. While with us men, we do it in privacy. No one knows that we were cheated on. We probably, in most cases, break up with the female for a few weeks or probably a few months, and then when we do get back, it's like nothing never happened. So yeah, it happens. Men take back their cheating spouses.